Winter's coming, and the chicken camera that I've got set up to look down on these little monsters at the moment, it was just moved here for the summer because the beans were in the way, and this isn't a waterproof socket down here. So what's happened is that the water's got inside, and on the first frost we've had, the water's pushed up completely inside this socket, and now the camera's only working intermittently, so I need to take this camera down from where it is here, and then I'm going to move it back to its original location just on the inside of the shed over there. I've got the camera down and I've cleaned it all over with alcohol because it's covered in bird poo and you don't want that on your hands. And you can see inside the socket, if I can get this to focus, see all of the corrosion in there? Yeah. I think I've caught this in time. This happened before last year, and the socket pins just completely disintegrated inside. But these look a little bit corroded, but they don't look too bad, so I might be able to get away with this. All I'm going to do is just clean inside here with some a fibre pencil. You know a fibre pencil? Let's see if I can find one over here. Oh, that's a steel one. There we go, that's a fibre pencil. So if I bring this out, you can see... Oh no, it's a brass one, look at that. Go. The red one must be the fibre pencil then. Come on. Aha. Right, there we go, there's a fibre pencil. You can see the inside of the fibre pencil is just made from strands of glass fibre. They do stick in your hand if you're not careful, but they're brilliant for cleaning electrical contacts. So I'm just going to clean inside there with that and see if we can get any joy. If not, I have got some spares of these. These are PoE, Power over Ethernet adapters, and I'll just swap it out if need be. Now, you can't really see it on the camera, but that's substantially cleaner inside now. I blew it through with the compressor as well to blow any residual water out and just dry the whole thing off. So the next step is to go and fit that outside and see if it works. Well, that's the camera in the new position. I've fiddled around so that it lines up the chickens quite neatly. And I've checked this socket here. It looks okay. There's a little bit of corrosion on a couple of the pins, so I'm going to come back out probably tonight after the camera's closed off, and I will do the same cleanup with the fibre pencil on that socket, and then I will enclose it with some gaffer tape or something. The socket here fares better because it's underneath the guttering, it's protected against a wall, and it's very difficult for rain to get in there. So now if you go to shedlandia.com/live chicks, you should see our chickens during daylight hours.